before, we all got toilets.
There we go.
Push this, nothing flushes, right? No big deal. Take your tank off, your tank cover, like this, lift it up. Okay, let's look in here. Okay, this is your linkage, this is your lever, makes the toilet flush. Right here, obviously nothing's happening. You go down inside, you're going to see your clapper. Here's a chain, right? Pretty simple. The chain's supposed to be linked to this. Okay, when you pull this up, voila, something happens. Okay, here's your simple fix, a paper clip. Or you can go to the hardware store, $5 to $10. Me, I opt to use a paper clip. Okay, anyway, you just spread your paper clip like you normally would. Wrap it through the top of the part of the chain, right here. Just like that. Slide it to the bottom. Okay, your paper clip. There's the top of the clip. There's your chain. You take the other paper clip, the other part of the paper clip here, just like I just did. Link it to the lever, where you, like this. Usually the middle works on most toilets. The toilets vary, but however, you get the idea. Look to where you see the chain's broken. Anyway, nonetheless, let it go down, and as you can see now, the toilet flushes. However, it is a temporary fix. You know, just replacing the paper clip like this. You can see the paper clip once again is linked to the chain. Now you might have to, now I have used before sometimes 2 or 3 paper clips, you know, link them together. But anyway, you know, a few days from payday, you don't have $5 to $10 for the proper repair kit, or use it as permanent. However, nonetheless, once again, paper clip, chain, flush. I didn't spend $5 tonight, so I think me and my girlfriend might order some Chinese. Okay, hope everyone learned something from this. I hope no plumbers are laughing, and I hope no hardware stores are pissed. Okay, other than that, take care.